Hey guys, welcome to this video, and what we have here is the Zakk Hunter wireless Bluetooth headphones. I've been told that the model number of this headphone, as you can see here, is the G50, and it comes with a built-in wireless receiver. It's a wireless headphone, so there's no cords. It has a range of 10 meters. Oh, there's a micro SD card slot inside as well, and it comes with a Bluetooth FM radio and an aux cable. So if you wanted to go from wireless to wired, you can do that. And it connects via Bluetooth, and it promises a play time of around 6 hours. And you get in the box, you get the headphone, of course. There's a charging cable, you get a carry pouch and a user manual. Now let's quickly see what you have inside. So I will quickly take the wrappers off this, and here's the headphone in my hands. It's pretty lightweight, and the construction does look a little plasticky, but it does seem quite ergonomic. Now you can't really twist or move these ear cuffs, they're fixed, but the ear cuffs themselves are quite soft, and it seems quite comfortable to be held on the ears for long hours. Now you do have quite a few buttons. Here's the power button, here's the play, pause and the call receiving button, and here you can skip songs and adjust the volumes with these two buttons. And it charges via a micro USB cable, and there's this aux port right here for you to plug in a 3.5mm jack and turn this into a wired headphone. So it does look pretty comfortable. You can adjust the amount of adjust the length of the headphones to fit your head, and by the looks of it, it does come together in this comfortable carrying position pretty well. Now let's see what else you get in the box. Here's the carry pouch that you have, where the headphone will go in. You can put the headphone in folded position, or you can also put it inside in an unfolded manner if you're in a rush. Other than that, you have the aux cable right here to turn this into a wired pair of headphones, and you have the charging cable. The charging cable itself is a flat wire, so there's no worrying of entangling it or even damaging it all that much. The aux cable, on the other hand, is still your age-old wire, so you might have to take care of getting this entangled, so I would suggest a little careful usage for this. So yeah, that's more or less it. Oh, there's this user manual as well, where you get all the functions and everything written out. Since this is a product conceptualized in the Middle East, most of the language will be in Arabic, but there's also English instructions for you to know about the product more in depth. So yeah, that's more or less it about the Zakk Hunter Bluetooth headphones. We're going to see you in another video. Thank you.